Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna give you the tools and resources to learn, grow, and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. So, welcome to my channel, Hacking Money Online. As always, our motto is hack it, earn it, and keep it. And let's start then. Now, like I said, we're gonna be talking about how many books that you need to be making $1,000 per month. Now, here we are in my Gatebook report, and we can see that since starting in November 2018, I have made over $80,000. Now, this equates to over 40,000 books sold. Now, if you want to see how I sold 40,000 books, write it in the comment and I'll make a video on that. But my point is, we can see that I consistently do over $1,000 per month. We can see the $1,000 line just here, and it's been above it since I practically started. I do anywhere in between $1,000 and $8,000 per month. Now it doesn't come down to the amount of books that you have, where you can see that I have over 4,000 books. Right here, I had less than 4,000 books. There's people out there who have 1,000 books who make 10 grand. There's people out there who make 100 books and make 10 grand a month. So it's not the amount of books. So you really shouldn't be asking how many books do I need to make $1,000 per month, because everyone is gonna be completely different. The question you should be asking is, how many books do you need to sell each month to make $1,000 every month? And that is a lot easier to answer than the previous question. Now, how many books do you actually need to be making $1,000 per month? Or should I say, how many books do you need to sell to be making that $1,000 per month? So this is actually pretty simple to work out. Let's get the calculator. Now, most of books you're gonna earn around $2. $2.04 is the average for most of my books. That's selling a book at $6.99 with around 100 to 120 pages. I believe that's royalty of $2.04. So if you keep all of your books around that price point, around $6.99 with around 100 to 120 pages, that royalty is going to be around $2. Now, knowing that is really easy to work out. So, say we want $1,000 a month, or we want to try and earn that $1,000 per month. So, let's divide that by $2, and you see some pretty simple math. You're going to need 500 sales each and every month with an average sale of $2 per royalty to make that $1,000 per month. So pretty simple. So it doesn't come down to the amount of books that you have. It comes down to the amount of books that you sell. And you need to be selling 500 books per month to make that $1,000. Now, those books, you could have 100 books, 200 books, 500 books, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. It all depends on every single person, because everyone is completely different. My set of skills is completely different to yours. My design is completely different to yours. So the amount of books is irrelevant. You just need to be making or selling around 500 books per month at around $6.99 with a $2 royalty to make that $1,000. So put it like this. It is pretty simple and easy to understand. This could be a goal that you want to aim for 500 units sold every single month. Then if you want to try and make $2,000 per month, you're gonna have to sell 1,000 books. So all of this is pretty simple to understand. That's kind of goal that you should be aiming for, 500 books sold to get to that $1,000 in royalties. Now, how do we actually go about and creating these books to actually sell on KDP? There is two main tools that I personally use myself, and these two tools I wouldn't be able to live without. Now, there's more tools that I do actually use. The first one being here, Canva. So with Canva, you can have the free version or you can have the paid version, the Canva Pro. Well, I have the Canva Pro. Now, with the Canva Pro, there is multiple things that you can do. You can create folders, lots and lots of folders, unlimited folders within Canva, which means you can organize all your graphics and everything that you download from other third-party websites. We can also upload our own fonts, which is really, really helpful when trying to design good quality covers because that means I can get my fonts over from Creative Fabrica, upload them into Canva, and start designing my books. So Canva Pro is one of the main tools that I can't live without. Now, you can use the free version of Canva. That's how I started. But the problem with that is you can't upload your own font, which again is vital if you want to start designing. Now we do have a 30-day free trial down in the description below. If you want to go and to check it out for Canva Pro, like I said, this is a 30-day free trial. So if you want to go and check out Canva Pro, click that link down in the description below. But let's move on because some of these things that you can do within Canva is pretty cool. Now I created this pattern a few weeks back. I believe I created it in a video. So I'll link that video right there in the right hand corner if you want to go through and watch that. But I can design things like this, these patterns, and then I can utilize them to actually turn into covers for books, and patterns are pretty easy to create. So they just look good on books. So this one, this pattern just here, this was a 90s theme pattern, which are utilized and turned into a composition notebook just here. And as we can see, it looks pretty good. So just in Canva alone, I can make some really nice designs. Now, these elements, these graphics, actually Kramer from Creative Fabrica. Again, watch the video where I actually created all of this because you're going to find value and some really helpful tips. But I can create my covers here and then I can also create interiors. So this was another video we did a while back just on how to create a really simple line interior using Canva. This took less than 10 minutes to create. Now with this, I could go in personalize, create, add more elements and just make it more unique. But my point is one of the main tools I wouldn't be able to live without is here, just Canva, because as you can see, I can create every aspect of my low content book publishing business right here. And one thing that I do like about Creative Node about Canva is that everything's done on the cloud. So if you pay for Pro, like I said, you can add all of these different folders. Now, if we look here on the right hand side node, on the left hand side, we can see all of my different folders. Now, if we click into here, I have even more folders. So having the Canva Pro version allows me to do this. And then I can organize all the graphics that I download on Creative Fabrica or from any other website. I can organize them here. And they're all uploaded in the cloud, which allows me not to have anything on my computer or on my laptop, which is really useful in case something happens to my laptop. I'm still going to have everything on the cloud. That's one of the main reasons why I love Canva for creating my book. So again, Canva is a must-have for me. It might not be for you. You might have a better design skills than me, so you might use something like Photoshop or Affinity Designer or Publisher or whatever it's called. So for me personally, again, I just prefer Canva. Canva is how I create my books, and Creative Fabrica just here is where I get all my graphics, my fonts, and even get interiors here as well. So right here on the front page, if we go to fonts, we can see all of these different fonts that you can use in your books. And if we scroll down, you're gonna see just how many different styles there are. So right here we can see there is over 60,000 different fonts. Now me personally, I have a Creative Fabrica membership, which allows me to come in and download anything that I want as many times as I want, and at no extra cost. But from here, we can see there is a lot of different fonts that we can use. And from here, we have all these different styles as well. And again, because I have that Canva Pro, I can come in, download as many fonts as I want, and then upload them here in Canva and use them in my designs is exactly the same with all of the graphics that I get. So if we scroll up, we can get the fonts from here, we can get graphics, and there is so many really great graphics here on the website, which will allow you to make better quality designs. And if we look here, there is 290,000. Nope, I think there is more than that. Anyway, there is just a lot of graphics. We can go to popular this week. We can click through, take a look, and try and find graphics that will be perfect for creating our books. So we can get the fonts, the graphics. Then if we go down here, we can get interiors as well, which allows us to actually even do nice research. So right here we have a passport logbooks, we have mandalas, learning to trace, working from home, business planner, so many different interiors here that we could use in our own business. We could literally just get in the interior, make a cover and upload it. Now, I don't recommend doing that. I always recommend modifying the interior, whether it's free fonts or layout or whatever. Always try and modify, even if it's ever so slightly. But right here we can get all of these interiors, and how there's over 15,000 of them just here on Creative Fabrica. So again, these are the two main tools that I use in my business, which helps me make my royalties, because we get the fonts, the graphics and the interiors here from on Creative Fabrica. And then I go and create everything here within Canva using that Canva Pro. So that's how I make my books, which allows me to make this income here on KDP. So this video was about how to take a decision about how many KDP books you should create and which tools you can use. And so if you like the video, click the subscribe button in order to encourage me to put more videos and to not miss the following videos. Thanks for watching.